Hello everyone, I'm Yang, Promotion Manager of Guangzhou Adto. Welcome to our live studio of 128th Canton Fair. Adto Group is a one-stop solution provider of construction materials and equipment for helping you to do projects and sell to the world easily.
Hi, good morning, ladies, gentlemen, all friends of this studio. It's my great pleasure for me to meet you today at the Canton Fair online. I'm Sarah, International Marketing of Guangzhou Adto.
We hope that you will have a good time in our live studio today.
Guangzhou Adto Building Material Company is a one-stop supplier of construction material and equipment. Our product is including ceramic sanitaries, lamps and lights, windows and door, and ceramic tiles annex.
All the products came from the factory, with the best quality and competitive price. Guarantee the delivery performance, help you to make more money. If you have any interest, please feel free to contact us.
Today, we will show you about the supply chains of Guangzhou Adto, so that you will know more about the manufacturing process and more detail of the product.
Yeah, that's right. Today, Sarah and I will present Adto Sanitary Family to you. Now, here we go.
Well, we showed the item just now. Now follow our camera and we will show you the manufacturing process.
Alright, let's connect to our college in the factory. Let her show you the sanitary details.
128 Canton Fair and glad to see you online. I am Vinci from Adto Group. I am responsible for the sanitary ware. Now, I would like to give you a brief introduction of our company, core products, production line, and the promotion policy. Our company is one-stop building material providers. Products include scaffolding, building templates, furniture, ceramic sanitary ware, lighting fixtures, aluminum alloy, full range of engineering materials. We have so many construction products. Anything you can find on the internet and you can find them here. The point is that we have strong quality, reasonable price, and our remarkable service. Okay, I want to introduce our joint venture company, Adto. Adto is focused on 304 stainless steel faucet for 10 years. All products are subject to strict quality tests and approval by ISO 9001 certificates. All our products sell well in Southeast Asia, South America, Africa, Middle East, and other countries all over the world. Committed to providing with the customer better price, better quality, and our better service. We aspire to become a brand of far-reaching influence in the sanitary ware. Any interested, please feel free to contact us.
Hello, this is Doreen from Sanitary Ware Department. Today we are going to have an introduction about the promotion product from October 15 to 24. Here it is the basin mixer we are promoting. It is made from 304 stainless steel, brush finishing, one hole, single handle, one hole. It is easy for installation and cleaning. Meanwhile, it also will be provided for one hose for 60 cm for free. We recommend this basic mixer for the crucial features that it is benefit for almost circumstance ranging from high-end market to entry level. Firstly is single handle and single hole. It is easy for installation and cleaning. Secondly, the material 304 stainless steel. It is lead-free and environmental friendly. Thirdly, it is also the point that we strongly recommend. For it is the price that regular one is $3.2 per set. Now for the promotion price, we make it $2.8 per set during the Canton Fair period from October 15 to October 24. Also, there will be 3 other mixers in the same series, like the black matte finishing in the basic mixer, and also the brush finishing and black matte finishing for the kitchen mixer. For more information about our promotion policy, you can check the board at the end of this video. For any inquiry, you can also contact us by email, or you can click to our homepage. Thank you.
Well, we believe that you should know an overview of our product. Meanwhile, I can recommend more customer resort, more products resort, and portrait resort to you. Let your business easily sell more and earn more. As Adto principle, it is our mission to serve activity and create more value for you.
Yeah, that's right. As a one-stop construction materials and equipment solution provider, Adto Group has more than 2,000 factories resources around the world, covering all the construction materials and equipment industrial chain. All products are supplied by the factory, quality ensured, competitive price. delivery, service, guarantee. So far for you, easy to do business. We promise, once you buy any value products online from us during the Canton Fair, we promise to introduce equivalent distributors or projects to you in coming 2 years.
Our company has been exporting overseas for 15 years and has a strict risk control system which can guarantee the safety of your orders and capital. Correct is the most important thing in our company. So don't worry to purchase from our company, absolutely.
Most importantly, we will share our customers' market resources to you. And we serve a lot of builders, developers, engineering enterprises. We can introduce those resources to you and help you bring in more customers, do more business, and make more money. Are you excited? Don't miss the shop. Just contact our staff and place the order. Okay, that's it today. If you want to know more products and discounts of Adto, please keep eyes on us. Let's see you next time. Bye.